If a number is divisible by 32, if a number is divisible by 32, how many digits should we be checking? How many digits should we be checking for its divisibility? 5 digits. Fine. Okay. If a integer is divisible by 16, if and only its last dashed digits are divisible by 64. Right. Same question they can ask it even in a simple English also, or they can make it a bit lengthier and they can ask. Okay. So these are different kinds you can get over here. Now, what happens if a number has to be divisible by 3? If a number has to be divisible by 3, then what should happen? The sum of the numbers should be divisible by 3. What should happen for 9? Sum of the numbers should be divisible by 9. Okay. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this number divisible by 3? Yes. Elementary method, you just keep on adding each and every number. Instead, what you can do is 3 is divisible, 6 is divisible, 2 plus 4, 6, it is divisible. Plus 1, 6, it is divisible. Obviously, this number is divisible by 3. Check for the common multiples. 3 is a multiple of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. 4 plus 2 is a multiple of 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. And like 1 plus 5 is 6. Multiple of 3. Cancels everything. So it's a multiple of 3. Okay. 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. Is there a multiple of 3? No. Because this is a multiple. This is a multiple. This is a multiple. These two are multiple, but you're left with 5. It's not a divisible of. It's not a divisible of 3. Quick calculation and that. Okay. In place of 5, I'm putting a star. How can this number be a multiple of 3? What is the smallest possible value of this part? 3. Okay, let us check it out. This gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. This is getting cancelled. In place of star, the smallest possible value you can put is 3 or 0. 0 or 3. 0 can be the, if in the options they are giving 0, select 0. If in the option they're giving 3, that is the smallest possible. Fine. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2. Is it divisible by 3 or no? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. Divisible by 3. Fine. Okay. For divisible by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it divisible by 3? Or is it divisible by 9? Is this divisible by 9, the first number? Yes. This is 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 2, 9. Divisible by 9. Quick. Okay. Not sitting and adding everything. No one is asking for the answers. You're just checking for divisibility. Is this number divisible by 9? No. Why? 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. And then you're left with 1 plus 2, 3. It's not divisible by 9. Is this number divisible by 3? Is this number divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Your end result was plus 1, 3. It is divisible by 3. But it's not divisible by 9. Not divisible. Okay, let us check it out. 8 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Or 1 plus 2, 3, 8 plus 3, 6. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3, but not divisible by 9. So a number which is divisible by 9 need not be divisible by 3. But a number which is divisible by 9 can be or will be divisible by 3. Because obviously 3 and 3 square, that is 9. So obviously that number also should be divisible by 3. Clear? So now if there is a question telling if the number is divisible by 9, will it be divisible by 3 or no? Answer is yes, it will be divisible. Fine. Clear? Online? Any doubts? Okay. Find the difference between squares. Find the difference between the squares of the greatest value and the smallest value of p. If the number 5306p2 is divisible by 3. Fine. They're asking you to find the difference between the squares of the greatest value and the smallest value of p. What is the question asking for? Find the value of p so that the smallest value and the greatest value of p. What is the difference? Find out. Fine. Okay. What is the rule for divisible by 3? Sum of the digits should be multiple of. What is the sum here? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 can be further simplified as 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus p. Okay. 7 plus p should be divisible by 3. Now, what are all values can you substitute in place of p? It can start from 0. Is it divisible? No. 1, is it divisible? No. 2, yes. 3, no. 4, no. 5, yes. 6, 7, no. 8, yes. 9, that's all. So 8 is the largest value and is the smallest value. Now what are they asking? The squares of the difference between the largest and the smallest value. So 8 square minus 2 square, that is nothing but 64 minus 4, that is nothing but. Clear? Okay. Now if the same question. I'm asking you to find, is this given number divisible by, if it is divisible by 9, then what should be the smallest and largest value? Difference between the smallest and largest. If it is divisible by 9, what should happen? In place of P, you should be having a multiple which is going to be 5. It should be obviously the same numbers of 2, 5, 8. After 8, it is going to be 9. Obviously, 9 is not available here. 8 is going to be 8 plus 7 is going to be 16. 16 is not a multiple of 9. So obviously the smallest and the largest number for 9 is 2 only. So 2 minus 2 is going to give you 0, 0. Difference between the largest and the smallest squares is going to be 0 if it is case of 9. Clear? Any doubts? All clear. So you'll be able to solve it within 5 seconds. Online, any doubts? Any clarifications?
Sir, how does 7 plus P came, sir?
Sorry, how this
How
7 plus P? What is the rule for 3? If a number should be divisible by 3, what we should do?
last 3 digits, sum of 3 digits should be divisible by 3.
Rule of 3 is not that. Rule of 3 is sum of all numbers. Sum of the numbers, all numbers should be divisible by 3. Here, the given number is what? Here, the given number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 1 plus 2? 3. What is 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible
Yes,
by
sir.
3. Now, what I was doing is this one only. So this is 21. This 21 meant it is going to be 3. Now this 3 is again divisible by 3. Fine, this is 1. But here they are given, find out for this given number if it is divisible by 3. If this given number should be divisible by 3, sum of this number should be divisible by 3. It's going to be 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. 16 can be further simplified as 6 plus 1, that is 7. So it becomes 7 plus P. 7 plus P, that is, it should be divisible by 3. If in place of P, I put as 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. It is not divisible by 3. 7 plus 1 cannot be divisible. 7 plus 2, yes. 7 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just checking for all the other options. Clear?
Fine, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. If the 4-digit number x67y is exactly divisible by 9, then the least possible value of x plus y is what? After this, find what is the least possible value for xy. What is the least possible value for xy? Just find out xy and xy. Xy also find out later. Just find out for x plus y first. What is the rule telling first? It's 9. So how can it be? Rule of 9 is the sum of all numbers should be multiple of 9. Sum of all numbers means either the sum is nothing but 6 plus 7 is 13. So 13 can be further simplified as 4. 4 plus x plus y should be multiple of 9. Should be multiple of 9. Now what in place of x plus y, if I substitute, will become the least possible way to get it? 5. Obviously x plus value, the value is going to be 5. Now the value of x can be 4, 1 or 1 and 4, or it can be 2, 2, 2, 2, whatever it is. If I'm asking what is the least possible way for xy, or this is the given question, least possible value of xy, then what is the answer? It's 4. It can be 2 plus 2, or like 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4. Sorry. 1 into 4 can be 1 into 4 can be 4. So 2 into 3 will become 6. 5 into 1 will become 5. 5 into 1 will become 5. 1 into 5 will become 5. 2 into 3 will become 6, and 3 into 2 will become also 6. 1 into 4 will become, right? If I'm asking the largest possible value, then what is option? Largest possible value of x plus y. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. 9 11s are 99. 9 11s are 99. 99 is the highest number which you can get over here. For example, okay. If 99 is the highest number which you can get, so now you need to find out what is that number. Sure. It can be either 3 2, 2 3, 1 4, 4 1. All these are possibles. Here they're not asking for possible values. They're asking for the value of x plus y, xy, the least possible. Okay, just give a try after going home for the greatest possible values. So they're asking for least possible value. Least possible value. So if this is 3 2, 2 3, 1 4, 4 1. Here if you multiply, there's going to be 6, there's going to be 6, there's going to be 4, there's going to be 4. Obviously, the least possible value has to be 4. Fine. Yeah. Okay. If a 9-digit number 83P936 78Q is divisible by 72. Then what is the value of square root of P square plus Q square plus 12? Try. Now understand one. Earlier cases I was only handling with one number which is divisible. If check if the given number is divisible by 8, 9, 3, 2, 16, whatever it is. But here I'm asking check if the given number is divisible by 72. Okay. Now how can I get 72? 8 into 9 or any other possibilities? 12 6 are 72, 12 6 are 72. But here you should remember one when you take the factors for these. Now between this number there shouldn't be any common factor apart from 0 and 1. Apart from 0 and 1 there shouldn't be any common factors. For examples, if I take 6 and 12, there are common factors called as 3, 2 and all these things. You shouldn't be having it. If I'm taking something like 24 into 3. Yeah, 24 into 3. In that case also I'm having common factors between them. So it cannot be there. So obviously the only option left with is 8 into 9. 8 and 9, there are no common factors apart from 0, 1 and itself. There are no other common factors. So we should be choosing this now. 4 into how much? 4 into 18. There are common factors. No, 2. Between these two numbers I must. 8 and 9, are they having any common factors? 8 and 9, are they having any common factors? No, they are not having any common factors. Right? So now there are 8, 9. Now if a number has to be divisible by 8, what is the rule? Last 3 digits should be multiple of 8. If a number has to be divisible by 9, then what is the rule? Sum of all digits should be. Find out. I've given you the method. Now find out the answer. Okay. So now, what are these numbers? It is going to be 7, 8, Q, and this is going to be adding up to 40. 44 is going to be further simplified as 4 plus 4, it is 8. 8 plus P plus Q, it should be divisible by 9. This should be divisible by 8. Fine. Okay. So the simplest way, in place of Q, you put it as 0 and check it out. 780, is it divisible by 8? No. 1, 1. No, 2, 2, 3. Yes, sir. 783. How can be 3 divisible by 8? And you cannot have a 3 also. 4. Yes. Right? It will be divisible. Else, the other method what you can do is 780 divided by 8. 7, 8. How many times? 8. 8 9s are 72. How much is the remainder? 6. In order to make this number divisible by 8, what you should add? Add 4 to it. Now this is the number you need to add here. 780. So Q value is 4. If Q is 4, in order to be divisible by this one, what should happen? So 8 plus 4 is 12. That is nothing but 3. So 3 plus P should be divisible by 9. So P value is going to be 6. P value is going to be 6. If P value is 6, then P square is nothing but 6 square. That is 36 plus Q square 60 plus 12. That's going to be 64. 64 is going to be 8. Any confusion? Who got wrong? Any confusions, Vishnu?